this very brief video, I'm going to guide you the step-by-step process on how you can create a safe website for your school or any other business that you might like. This will not be a WordPress website or a website using AI website builder because they tend to be a little bit slow and sluggish. This one, we're going to use extracted codes. I don't have to know code to do this. We're going to use ChatGPT and we're going to use VS Code. So those are the only tools you need and your time. And I'm going to be very brief. And in case you have any questions or lost somewhere, please comment below and I will guide you in the next step. We're going to go to ChatGPT and we give it a prompt that give me a detailed prompt I'm going to use to create a website for my school, about elementary school located in Rwanda. Number is this. So I'm going to go ahead and paste this and it goes. So we want ChatGPT to give me a prompt that I'm going to go ahead and paste on another ChatGPT account so that we can create a very perfect, beautiful website for our school. ChatGPT goes ahead and creates for us the prompt. And as I said before, it is a children's elementary school, so we expect something more visualizing to kids. So once ChatGPT has created for us the prompt, I'll not go ahead and read the prompt live. So if you want the prompt, go ahead and type the prompt in the comment section. I'll go ahead and send you a link to all the prompts that I've used in this video. So once ChatGPT has done that, I'm going to go ahead and copy by clicking this button. You can highlight all of them if you feel like, but I'll go ahead and click this copy button. And then I'm going to go in a new chat. And then I'm going to go to work. And then I'm going to choose Sol. Sol is by far one of the best right now, but any other model will work. But this is Sol. So I'm going ahead and choose the effort I want. The more the effort, the more the credits. So I'm going to go for extra high because I expect something more beautiful. And go ahead and paste our prompt. And after it has finished, I'll go ahead and share this to ChatGPT. And then I'm going to give it some time to go ahead and create this website for us. So later on, we're going to see how we can deploy this website online, and then we can do some small changes and we'll make it completely ours. So go ahead and play this video at a slow speed, but I'm going to fast forward the next part to avoid wasting a lot of time. Alright, so after working for around 12 minutes, it actually gave us the full website ready. But however, it did not give us the codes that we can paste on VS Code so that we can actually extract and deploy this ourselves. We can go ahead and deploy from here, but I'm going to ask for it, send me a code. Send codes. Alright, so it goes ahead and sends me the codes. So I just click here to download it on my desktop. So save that. Once it is downloaded, go ahead and extract it. And I'm just going to extract it in the same folder and extract. After that is done, you will get this nice clean source code. So go in VX Code and then you're going to import it. So click File, open folder, and then locate where that one is. So it is this one. After you've gotten it, click Select Folder. And then VS Code will go ahead and open for us all the codes for it. Now we made a mistake. Let me go open another one. I opened the right folder. It is this one, but go ahead and open this one instead. That is perfect. So after that, we're going to run this to install and dev to get for us a localhost. So go ahead and to terminal. Click new terminal and then go ahead and paste all those. You can paste one by one or you can paste both, but for my case I'm just going to go ahead and paste both. So to paste that here, you're going to go ahead and right click on the mouse here. You're going to see this one, click right click, and then you go ahead and paste all of them, then you click enter. So VS Code will go ahead and install for us all the dependencies and all the files that is required, all the packages that is required for this source codes. And then it will go ahead and run for us in the localhost, and then we can go ahead and test it. So, and come back. Okay, so once installation is done, the next thing we're going to go ahead and test it out. And then we can go on the localhost that's given us the link. So I'll just open the new tab, and then I'll click localhost 3000. I've used it before, that's why you can see it here. If it doesn't, just go ahead and click this. And then you click follow link, and then it will take you to that localhost. So once that is done, we wait for it to load. and then our school will be ready and available. So it's pretty wonderful, as you can see. We just created with AI in a matter of seconds, and it has almost everything. It has a WhatsApp button here that takes us direct to WhatsApp. And for contacts, we can also add an AI chatbot here. I'll put in the detailed video now. You can put an AI chatbot. I think I'll tag it somewhere here. Or if it's not, go ahead in my channel and find a way of getting an AI chatbot for free for your business. And you can see all pages are working. About Us is working. Where we detail all the about academics is working. All admissions, where they can go ahead and fill a form, and then you get an instant. I'll not go much into the deep the back end of this website, but it is pretty simple. Just tell the AI to do it, and then in case you get any challenge, please email me at titussimplifies.com. Go ahead in my website and find the email info@titussimplifies.com. Then you go ahead and send me an email, and then I'll guide you to the next steps. I'll provide for us a gallery that you can actually add later on if we have. As you can see, these are design placeholders, not photographs of about people or facilities. In case you have a real photograph, you can go ahead and paste into the AI, and then it will add it there. Or we can go ourselves into VS Code, and then we attach those images. Pretty simple, not complicated. And then we have our contact page. So basically that is it. I'll not go ahead and talk much about the website. It's pretty nice. So you can go ahead and deploy it online as in your own domain, as your own website, for your own school. Just change the wording or the name. And then if you want the source codes, also email me and I'll send the source codes direct. Or you can go ahead and ask AI. And then I will not go much detail into how to deploy it, because that's a pretty simple step. And I don't want to make the video a little bit more longer. If you want to know how to deploy, go ahead and watch the video I created before. There's a video I created on how to deploy a website. And then with that much more said, I'll catch you in the next one.